The Daily Scrum is one of the 5 Scrum events. It is a 15-minute time-boxed event that is held every working day at the same time and place. It is for the developers to plan the next 24 hours. They use the Daily Scrum to inspect progress toward the sprint goal. It is the responsibility of the developers to run the event and make it effective. The structure of the event is set by the developers, and it can be conducted in many different ways. Here is an example of a structure that might be used. Each developer answers 3 questions. What did I do yesterday to help us meet the sprint goal? What will I do today to help us meet the sprint goal? Do I see any impediments that may prevent us from meeting the sprint goal? It is important to keep the 15-minute time box to prevent waste. Not all discussions will be relevant to all developers, so it's about higher level planning rather than detailed problem solving. The right developers often meet after the Daily Scrum for detailed discussions and to solve specific problems. The Daily Scrum is the most misunderstood event in Scrum. For example, you do not have to stand up, although it might be helpful. You do not have to answer the 3 questions, although they might be helpful. The developers are responsible for the Daily Scrum and should decide how to do it as effectively as possible for themselves. Others may attend the Daily Scrum, but it's not for them. And so if they do attend, they should not disrupt the event. Others attending will have an impact on the effectiveness of the Daily Scrum. The Scrum Master does not have to attend, although it might be helpful. The developers must hold a Daily Scrum every working day, but it could be shorter than 15 minutes. And not all developers will benefit from the Daily Scrum every day, but it is important they attend to fulfill their collective responsibility to revise and update their plan each day.